Have you ever faced a situation that felt so impossible it seemed like the end of the road? Maybe you've hit rock bottom, lost hope, or thought, this is it, there's no way out. What if I told you that you might be exactly where God's power reveals itself best? Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a life-changing truth from 1 Samuel 2:9. God controls everything, and no human circumstances are beyond his ability to reverse. If you've ever doubted that things could change, this message is for you. Consider the story of a young athlete named Jake. He was on top of his game, with a college scholarship and a bright future, until a devastating injury shattered his dreams. Doctors told him he'd never play again, and his world fell apart. Friends drifted away, and depression took hold. But God had other plans. During what felt like the darkest season of his life, Jake remembered the powerful message of 1 Samuel 2:9. God controls everything, and no human circumstances are beyond his ability to reverse. He started praying, even when it felt pointless, and pushed through rehabilitation one painful step at a time. Months turned into a year, and then came the moment when Jake walked back onto the field, not just healed, but stronger than before. Against all odds, he played his senior season, earned his degree, and now helps others overcome their own struggles. Life can hit hard. You might be facing loss, heartbreak, or a closed door, and it may seem final, but not to God. Remember the truth of 1 Samuel 2:9. God controls everything, and no human circumstances are beyond his ability to reverse. He can restore broken dreams, mend relationships, and rewrite the stories you thought were over. What feels impossible in your life right now? Take a deep breath and trust that God's not done with your story. The same God who reversed Jake's circumstances can step into yours as well. He controls everything, even when you can't see it. If this message encouraged you, please share it with someone who needs hope today. Drop a comment about how God has worked through your impossible situations. Remember, 1 Samuel 2:9. God controls everything, and no human circumstances are beyond his ability to reverse. Trust his power and his timing.